Today, I'm going to prep and cook beef kidney. Today's beef kidney is from Dutch Meadows Farms in Lancaster, PA. They deliver. I know what you're thinking. Anyway, kidney is rich in selenium, iron, folate, vitamin A, B12, as well as important kidney-specific peptides and cofactors. I believe that kidney is king, not liver, and the reason is because of the DAO enzyme, which helps break down excess histamine, especially in the gut, and that's where all your serotonin receptors are. So if you can break down the histamine, you can be a little happier and less anxious. So that is what our kidney looks like. I'm going to cut the entire kidney up into about 30 pieces or so, and then I'm going to put some Dollar Rub Club on it because I always like my Dollar Rub Club. Check them out online, dollarrubclub.com. Anyway, put that on. I also like to put cilantro on almost everything because it's a great heavy metal detox. Definitely detox your heavy metals. Put it all in this glass pan, but I am going to take out a couple pieces to cook, and those 2 pieces are also going to be shared with my puppies. So I've got my cast iron pan already seasoned with some butter and some fat from last night's meal. And so I'm just going to cook it for a little while. And what I want to do is cook it just enough so there's a little bit of pink on the inside. So you can see here it's just it's cooking pretty nice. Got a little bit of pink on the bottom there. So you're just going to flip it over once or twice. Make sure you spread it around, get as much of the cooking oils as you can to add some extra flavor to it. And then when you feel like you're ready to go, you're basically just going to take your kidney out, maybe cut it up into a couple smaller pieces, and you're going to add some low sugar ketchup for some added taste. I've also got low sugar barbecue sauce that I like. You just dip it in. And this is literally all you need about every 2-3 days to make sure you're getting enough of those enzymes to help break down histamine in your gut, as well as satisfy your need for essential amino acids and especially B vitamins. And like I said, I always share my kidney with my chihuahuas. Stop feeding them dog food.